My dear students, we have discussed a lot about employment testing, but at the end I would like to conclude about the testing system. Testing, if the test shows no obvious job related deficiencies that would cause disqualification, then test or an in-depth interview can be given. So some achievement tests, there are different categories, and some tests are categorized into the two major or broader categories, so we need to consider this thing as well. Some achievement tests measure physical abilities and could therefore be categorized as a physical testing. But not all achievement tests can be categorized as a physical testing. Other achievement tests which measure knowledge, which measure skills, placing them under the heading of psychological testing. So there's an overlapping of an achievement test in a physical testing and some of the achievement tests in a psychological testing. Similarly, motor work samples may be considered a form of a physical testing. However, they are also the type of an achievement testing and could therefore be classified as a psychological testing. So drug tests are clearly categorized as a physical testing. So you see that different kind of a test can be categorized into the different broader categories, and there are some overlapping areas as well. The choice between a test and an interview will depend on company policy. Whether you would go for a test or you would go for an interview, the type of the job applied for, the cost of the test, and the qualification of the candidate out of that test. Applicant reaction to the interviews, especially where the interviewer asks a question about face validity, are more favorable than they are to the other question techniques. So you need to consider the face validity of the questions as well. Face validity has also been shown to be important in applicant perception of the fairness of the selection techniques. So it is important for the perception of the fairness. If the face validity is there, it means that the tests are more fair. Research, for example, indicate that general intelligence and consciousness relate strongly to the performance across a wide range of a job and a situation. So intelligence is related to the job performance in most of the situation. It has also been found that tests which perceived by applicant as being job related are positively correlated with organizational attractiveness. Just see that how test perception with the job relation is correlated with the organizational attractiveness. This suggests that HR managers need to demonstrate to job applicants that face validity and job relatedness of the selection technique must be employed. So if you would put the face validity and job relatedness in the test, obviously it would be better for the test validity, and it's better provision for the testing. Finally, evidence suggests that the use of employment testing, especially for managerial and professional positions, is increasing. It means in the future selection procedures, employment testing would carry a very important place. So you need to know about this employment testing procedures so you can make it more effective and more efficient.